Welcome to the HotHealth training module, where you'll learn how to manage your organization's details and how to access and review your current subscription under the Account and Billing section. Once you're logged in, click the Profile button and select Dashboard. Under Organization Settings, you will find the two sections, Organization Details and Account and Billing. The Organization Details section allows you to manage important information about your organization, including the organization name, type, contact email, contact number, referral net recipient ID, authentication settings, and the labels for patients and staff members. Keeping these details accurate ensures that your organization's profile remains up to date and functions correctly within the system. After making any updates, be sure to click Save to apply the changes. Once you're done, return to the dashboard and select Account and Billing. Here, you can review your current subscription package and explore the features included in your plan. And that's how you can easily access and manage your organization's details, as well as view your account and billing information. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.